Having studied an intense medical school degree for 5 years, there is one thing I learned that all top students do to study efficiently. Continue watching to learn about the study tip that's helped me save time, study smart, and optimize my success as a student. Hi everyone, my name is Hazal and I'm a final year medical student studying in the UK. As students, we come across study tips all the time. But instead of trying to use 100 different study tips at the same time, it's important to find the ones that work best for you and utilize them well. A good study tip to start off with is doing practice exams, which are way more beneficial than you think. Practice exams are shown to be the most effective way of preparing for real-life exams. One reason for this is because they are powerful confidence-building exercises. They not only enhance your familiarity with questions, but also are a great way to alleviate any exam-related stress. Successfully navigating through practice exams can reassure you of your capabilities and understanding. As you work through practice exams and see your scores increase, your confidence will also increase exponentially. From personal experience, I can assure you guys that walking into an exam knowing that you've scored highly in other practice exams provides you with so much self-confidence. This in return helps settle your worries and deal with the pressure of high-stake exams, which greatly influences your performance. Trust me guys, by doing this, exams become much more manageable. This is because you know you've put in the effort and demonstrated your competence through practice. This reassurance in your capabilities can lead to more focused and effective test taking, ultimately contributing to improved outcomes in your academic pursuits. To truly retain knowledge, it's important to apply what you've learned to real exam scenarios. Practice exams employ spaced repetition, which helps you reinforce your knowledge and understanding by forcing you to recall information when answering questions. The key aspect of practice exams is that they present information in a different way to your textbook. Although the main concepts will be the same, the exams are likely to exhibit scenarios that you are unfamiliar with, which you can only prepare for by actually coming across them. Training yourself to identify these patterns and apply your knowledge is immensely valuable. Practice exams require active engagement, moving away from passive reading and memorization, allowing students to develop a deeper understanding of the subject. Repeatedly recalling information when doing these questions helps improve your long-term memory and ability to retain information. This is a very beneficial and proactive learning strategy that can greatly reinforce your understanding before exams. In fact, a study showed that students improved their test scores by nearly 25% when doing practice exams before the actual real exam. In addition to this, research done by a teacher showed that students who do practice exams perform up to 15% better than students who don't do practice exams, which shows exactly how beneficial they can be. Engaging in practice exams isn't just about testing your knowledge. It's a strategic tool that can help you gain insight into the areas of your understanding that need more attention. As you tackle practice questions, you'll be able to see what topics you perform well in, but also what topics you underperform in. I know that initially this can be quite demotivating, but you can use this information to shift your studies to improve your weaknesses. When you encounter a question that challenges your understanding or leaves you searching for answers, it's a clear signal that these topics need to move up in your priority list. So in essence, practice exams are a diagnostic tool, pinpointing those specific areas in your understanding that demand more attention. With this knowledge, your study sessions become more targeted and efficient. You can devote your limited time and energy to improving your weaknesses, filling the gaps in your understanding, and reinforcing your foundation in those subjects. When it comes to preparing for exams, one of the most important tools you have at your disposal is the answers from practice exams. The explanations in the answers from practice exams are usually much more concise and straightforward when compared to explanations in lectures or in big textbooks. Utilizing these explanations from answers can be a real time saver during exam season. Additionally, completing a practice exam familiarizes you with the exam format, question styles, and overall expectation. These practice exams give you the opportunity to practice your time management skills and replicate the real exam experience as closely as possible. This can help you train your endurance and mental stamina for the real exam. Remember that exams differ from regular assignments in 3 different ways: the time pressure, the level of difficulty, and the length of the paper. Addressing these factors in your preparation is crucial to prepare as well for the exam as possible. As you can see, incorporating practice exams into your study routine can help you in the long run with achieving your academic goals. If you would like more student tips, make sure to check out this video where we discuss how to use AI to improve your studies. And of course, if you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in a new video next time. Bye!